Today we are going to show you the best budget drones you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best budget drones for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you the best tech products which you can buy now. Products links in the description box. In this video, we'll be covering budget drones, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5. BetaFPV Cetus Lite. The Cetus Lite brushed quadcopter is a drone that's both small and lightweight, weighing only 1.26 G, including a 300 mAh 1S LiPo battery. It's advertised to have a maximum flight time of 4 to 5 minutes, although during our tests, we were only able to achieve 3 minutes of flight time. It's worth noting that our tests were conducted during winter and indoors, so it's possible that longer flight times could be achieved during warmer months. The Cetus Lite FPV kit is an excellent choice for beginners because of its simplicity and several safety features that make flying super easy. However, some of these features may be outgrown quickly, which we'll discuss later. The drone's ease of flight allows users to focus on using FPV goggles, which can be a strange experience at first. The quality of the analog video feed, the size of the image in the goggles, and the lack of spatial awareness can make it difficult to judge and avoid obstacles. As experience grows, so does confidence and ability, making the Cetus Lite kit a useful tool for getting used to this aspect of FPV flight. It's a slow and easy-to-fly drone, which adds to its appeal for beginners. Number 4. Ryze Tello. The Tello drone has a charging time of about 1 hour per battery. As the drone can fly for around 11 to 12 minutes, it is advisable to purchase the optional charger and 2 extra batteries, which takes about 2 hours to charge all 3 batteries. This is more convenient than waiting for an hour to charge a single battery between flights. Despite its small size, the Tello is very fast, with a top speed of over 17 mph, 8 meters per second, and can fly up to almost 100 mph with a clear line of sight. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to fly indoors, especially for beginner drone pilots. The Tello can make small and precise movements, providing a smooth and accurate flight experience. The mobile phone app that controls the Tello is user-friendly and easy to use. The Tello has built-in safety features such as sensor and propeller guards, which blend seamlessly with its design. The sensors located at the bottom of the drone act like little cameras and are useful in avoiding collisions with objects, especially for novice pilots. The propeller guards allow pilots to take more risks while flying the drone, particularly indoors, while also increasing its durability by protecting the propellers from damage caused by collisions. The Tello is controlled by an app that can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. Setting up the app is simple. Just download it, switch on the drone, and press the connect button. This will take you to Wi-Fi within your settings, where you can select Tello. Once set up, you can view your surroundings through the Tello's lens, and you are ready to take flight. Number 3. Holy Stone HS175D. There are some additional features that add a bit of character to this drone. For example, it has 2 white LEDs on the front, which are typically found on more expensive drones as collision sensors. The rear leg feet also have a pleasant glow, making it easier to spot the drone at high speeds, although determining its orientation can be a bit challenging. Like most drones, the HS175D requires a pre-flight calibration process. It is important to note that the Wi-Fi range is limited, and flying beyond 100 meters (300 feet) is not recommended. Although the drone has a GPS return-to-home feature, it won't work if you go too far, leaving you to rely on the drone's range. It is best suited for nearby flying, as the batteries have a capacity of 1,700 mAh, providing a flight time of around 20 minutes. Number 2. DJI Mavic Mini 2 SE. The Mavic Mini series is well known for its lightweight and compact design, which makes it highly portable and easy to carry around. It's expected that the Mavic Mini 2 SE would maintain this feature as well. DJI drones have a reputation for having high-quality cameras, and the Mavic Mini 2 SE would likely offer excellent imaging capabilities for its size and price range. You can expect features like 4K video recording and stabilized footage. Flight performance is a crucial aspect to consider when buying drones, and the Mavic Mini 2 SE would likely offer stable flight, intuitive controls, and decent wind resistance. Battery life is also an important factor to consider, as it determines how long you can fly the drone before needing to recharge. DJI typically includes a range of intelligent flight modes and features in their drones, such as GPS-based navigation, obstacle avoidance, and automated flight paths. It's possible that the Mavic Mini 2 SE might inherit some of these features from its predecessors. The price of the Mavic Mini 2 SE would likely be positioned as an affordable option compared to DJI's more advanced drone models, making it accessible to entry-level users or those on a budget. Number 1, DJI Mini 3. The drone can resist wind up to level 5, up to 24 miles per hour, as advertised, and can fly in such conditions when the flight mode is set to sport. It's a small and lightweight drone. The camera is the main point of interest for most people. It can be rotated 90 degrees between landscape and portrait format, and all photo and video functionality is available in both orientations. The camera has a 12MP 1/1.3-inch sensor and provides a 24mm equivalent focal length with a fixed f/1.7 aperture. The focus range is between 1m and infinity. Shooting modes include single shot, timed, auto exposure bracketing, panorama sphere, 180 degrees, wide angle and HDR. Beginners will appreciate the inclusion of quick shots, which are automated flight patterns that help capture interesting video footage with ease. The camera can be set horizontally or vertically while using the 5 available options. However, the Mini 3 does not have obstacle avoidance sensors, so be cautious of any nearby obstacles that the drone could potentially crash into while performing quick shots. Many new models are becoming available in the budget drone market, which is the fastest growing. The Mavic Mini 3 is the best drone in its class and is not much more expensive than less impressive models in some cases. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe.